FuturePrint Industrial Print, a very happy and chirpy Richard Darling from Global Inkjet Systems, who will explain a little about the talk you're giving. Richard, if you could give us a bit of a feel of the themes of your talk.
Well, this is an inkjet conference, so I'm going to talk about Arnold Schwarzenegger. Why? Well, I read a book a couple of years ago, I think it was, by Arnold Schwarzenegger called Be Useful. And I think that what we're doing is industrial. So it's what we can learn from his 7 tools for life and the guiding thing in his life, which has been to be useful. If you're useful, then you're successful. So I think that there is probably something that industrial inkjet can focus on more, which is to be useful to industry. Whilst we do a lot of good research and learning and testing and all that sort of stuff, I notice in different geographies, different people apply it in different ways. So in the East, for example, it's much more determinedly focused on making it useful and selling more. In the West, it's more for big technical ambitions. So I see that it's a business. We're in industry in ourselves. So I think we can maybe learn a bit from Arnie.
Brilliant, I love that. And Arnold Schwarzenegger couldn't make the event, unfortunately.
He couldn't, no.
No, but
I didn't even ask.
Okay. Richard's going to draw on the expertise and the experience that Arnold's had. Tell us a bit about Global Inkjet Systems and why you're at FuturePrint Industrial Print, and also your impressions of the event.
Okay. Well, we always come to your events because it's a good community. So, but I think at this one in particular, what I'm impressed with, there are some people who haven't been to previous events. So you've got some fresh people. There seem to be quite a few people who are looking at application of inkjet, which is useful. But there's still a lot of people who are supplying to the industry in different ways. So that's always interesting to catch up with them. I notice there's a slight flux of people who used to be doing some things, doing other things now. That's interesting. The presentations, I haven't seen them all, but I know some of them are really interesting. Probably I should stop talking so much and listen more, which is one of the lessons from my presentation. It's in a really interesting place, lovely building, historical building, and it's got all the shiny metal, expensive artifacts of fancy cars and things. So that's an interesting thing as well.
Thanks so much for joining us, supporting the event, Richard. Looking forward to your talk tomorrow.
You're welcome.